Hello there! In this video you will learn how you can easily make the no scene effect in ShotCut. So let's start. All you want to do is click on the filters, then plus, and click right here, no scene. And now when I'm going to click on it, you can see right here that you see like in the two parts of the video. What you can also add here is let's add nervous. And you can see it's really nervous, but the second part you can make and also really great. I know what we need a glitch effect, but let's keyframe it. This is really important. Let's start the keyframe. Let's unclick nervous and let's go with no scene, and let's create like this and go right here and go with the nervous here, and let's see how it looks like. So there's like 35 seconds. And now when I'm going to click nervous, it's really glitching everything. And now what you want to do also is add glitch effect. And this is going to blow your mind, what you're gonna see. Like this effect is from another universe. These three effects. Another universe. I'm telling you right now. This is beyond the understanding of the human eye. This is something you can comprehend. This is something you can believe. Because you don't even understand. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.